see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone. Yeah, we alone.
This one just finally got up. So tired. Usually she doesn't wake this time. Usually she wakes a little later, but we're just gonna go to her appointment and come back. Brush, mama, brush. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush, brush, brush. Brush, 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 brush. You in a good mood now? Huh? Going outside?
Huh?
Going outside?
Huh?
Going outside? Yeah. So we're just sitting here waiting. She got the test on her arms. She's literally so terrified of the doctor office because the mask and the shield, but she's doing so good. What's that? What's that? Can I see? Wow.
Oh,
I think this is Nyla's like second lollipop. Let me see your sticker. Oh, wow. Why are you kissing it? Slow down. Okay, harmonize with me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Baby, when the bright lights, you have to go higher or lower. Lower. You want to go higher or lower? Baby, when the bright light starts to fade. Fire up your lighter. Ready? Leave that, Nyla. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Baby, when the
Me I go eye, and I see me I go eye.
baby, when the bright light starts to fade. Fire up your
Fire
lighter.
up in my lighter. Fire up my lighter.
Float on with the wave. You make me feel. Okay, can you please do this? Light.
Away, say away.
You make me feel lighter. Light.
Oh gosh. Lighter. Turn on my lighter. Let me feel the wave. Yo. What on? Somebody say me look.
Buff up?
Yeah, like.
Don't make that get to your head. The other day I told you that too. You had on a shirt and I'm like, yo, what the heck? Man, don't look tick up on
Wash me, I go wash him.
Outside?
You ever wash clothes with you on it, Nisha?
Are you Ziggy?
No, I'm just generally asking you something. What the fuck?
Yes, I have.
Like script.
Yes, I script.
You can't script.
I went.
Freak.
I script,
you know
and I've
say-
scrubbed your damn boxers. Them. After one day, Polly's like, Nisha, you need to scrub Ziggy. Because remember, you used to play boxers in your free. And she's like, you need to
boxers. Yeah.
play soccer in your boxers. So she's like, you need to scrub Ziggy's boxers. And I was so mad. I was like, scrub? She's like, yes. And I remember I was there in the hot sun scrubbing them. I put them on the line. I was like, damn.
Bang. But yo, like, when I remember in Polly, I tell you, if you wash, like I tell you, if you wash my clothes, and mommy, I said, I make it script. I must say, if you're not script, that means that they're not wash good.
Yeah.
I didn't learn how to do it, but like I grew up, like Saturday morning, you have to get up in the morning and just pack out the whole your clothes. And put them down one side and enjoy your 3 bath.
Yep.
You wash water, your rings, wash leather and rings. You see me, and sometimes you have to double rings you are putting on that.
Yo, you know what I used to hate washing? Your damn white socks. I hate when Ziggy wears white socks. I hate when Ziggy wears white socks. I hate when you wear white socks.
Then but Nisha couldn't push up a line.
Oh my god. Yeah, do you guys remember that vlog? And I was sick that day too. I sounded so cute.
Yeah. That was good. That was like them there in some good time to see like Canadian girl come on him up pin out close my line and say like me always just stand up and watch it and I say God damn me
Don't kill me. I was actually scared to lift that line. Up to this day, if you tell me to go over there and pin clothes, I'm not going alone. I'm still calling you.
Why?
Because that line is just weird. That line just sort of weird.
What, you push up?
Yeah.
But now, me come here now and me find one soap, Ivory soap.
Yes, if you're trying to wash. Yeah. Hey girl.
So when me I go wash me wipe them, the first couple of times I normally soap up me wipe them and then make it soak in the water and then. But now me just find a quicker way. Me just cut up the soap and just dash in a machine and make them soap.
Auntie Juliet is the one who actually told me about that soap. That Ivory soap, do not bathe with it, guys, because if that is getting your white clothes white, can you imagine?
I think I know it when Keisha use it also.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna try it after. But Ivory soap bad.
I use it on Nana's clothes and it literally like it brings out her clothes bright. Man. I put it in this load. I did cut it up like.
So if you don't know what you tell me about Ivory soap, I'm gonna use it and try to watch it. Big up! Hey!
You're watching 90 Day Fiancé and I'm so behind. I'm completely behind. I was just sitting here and I'm like, let me watch it to see what's going on, and I'm so disappointed. What's up with this thing right here?
Peter said no hugs. Okay.
Hold on, guys.
You're come.
Say man gone see it.
Come here.
Man, keep your love to yourself. That's wrong. You need to be man.
You should look. Okay. That's how you do if you have twins. And put your both to sleep.
Wouldn't one be the other way and one be that way?
The shows are like ass and down. So great.
Oh, you know,
how do you know what? Yeah, I just want to say.
We do common free time.
Ew. Why? That one up, Keisha.
One up, Keisha.
So guys, we're here watching 90 Days Fiancé. I was watching it earlier because I'm trying to catch up because I'm so behind. Who put it on first? You came in here and seen it. No, lie. The TV was on. But anyways, guys, I'm so behind. So much has been happening. Ow! Anyways, I'm so behind. I don't even know what's going on. One guy just proposed to this girl. The girl said no.
He provided for her, and she said no. Propose. That's what you were gonna say.
Propose. And then this girl never told her mom she's gay yet.
She tried to, and then she ended up saying, "I went shark swimming."
Oh my goodness. How would she sleep with makeup on? No, guys. Look at this one. This one, look at this how she look when she wake up. Look at her face. How it's perfect.
They were getting ready to go to a party and they stopped.
Oh.
Yeah, you're not watching show. They come talk shit. Come on. I'm joking. I made that up.
Oh, you're actually so annoying, Shaya.
He found the cotton candy.
Even though it's in the freezer.
Imagine the next one.
Come out right away. The situation has left me wondering if she'll ever be ready.
Yo, this is. You're actually so. Oh my god, you're so.
I can't even tilt the chair.
Don't tilt it, please. Shawna! Do you guys see what I have to deal with? This girl's haunted.
Lira, sit!
I cannot even focus.
You guys want fellowship waffles on me?
Yeah.
Keisha anymore doing nails.
You know?
Yeah, guys, Keisha started to do nails, so I'll
I already told them this.
Did I? Well, she's okay. So Keisha got better at doing nails, what I should say. She's certified and everything.
You guys want the Belgian waffles or no?
Yeah. Wait, I don't really
I don't
eat
have a
that.
waffle machine.
I don't really eat that. Where is the waffle
I was just
machine?
trying to ask you if my friend come over because she has a waffle machine.
What the heck? You guys see how she little tricker?
This is so noisy, boy. You're so noisy.
What is that here?
That's rude. Put it back.
Put it back here.
Disappointed that I
Like,
was for my mom, but
That's so cute.
look at her.
at the end of the day, I know.
After you watch Mulan, you're gonna think you're a ninja. Okay, show your best ninja move. Go.
I just
And all the
did.
issues with me, and you fail to mention something like that. That's a huge thing because she is the reason why now you are pressuring me to come out to my mom.
Stop.
Where's the sound?
I know that
You get into motion.
Okay. Okay, good.
I felt ashamed.
Oh, that's a kung fu.
I felt like the girl that I loved was embarrassing me. Like, just a little bit
No, Shawna's like psycho now. You know what's funny? You're gonna make Nyla do that with. Watch her now.
Lyra, stop jumping.
And as soon
Look at her.
Your turn. Your turn.
Because I knew you
They
were
don't want a ninja move like
It's not a big deal. It's
a kung fu that they just do.
Okay, you can do them.
It's not a big deal.
Kung
There's supposed to
fu.
be honesty between us. I thought that's what
See what?
Nisha, that's you missed it. Go, go, go.
Your toe was so close to her face.
Where you putting?
Okay, but why do you guys have to use my child as a practice? I know.
Yeah, you must be saltfish.
Yes. Your mom always buy the box of salt. Oh, like see it like actual raw?
Saltfish head, not.
Oh no, I think it said saltfish yet. No, I never seen it.
They say if you must see saltfish head, you know
You
it's
didn't even know that
saltfish
you
head.
dropped it.
Yo, what?
You would eat it again. I don't believe it though. They say saltfish head ugly, like look like human.
Okay, I'm gonna need to find a picture now that you like human head.
Yeah.
Ew, why are you standing like that?
Lyra, stop. When you guys left and Nala went on the chair, like that's what I did. I'm like, oh shit, you guys make Nisha kill me. I grab her and pull her to the floor.
What's that? Go drive. Vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Nisha, you can do your move now.
I don't have no move.
Do your move.
What's one kung fu?
Nisha, so daddy,
I want
daddy.
ninja one.
Hey, come. Hey, what I want the name? Swan? Goodness! Python! Run! Go, Nisha! No fear, come again. No fear, Nisha. I want the name Aina. Go again. Aina laugh. Woo! Daddy.
And name her that.
So guys, I'm actually about to this is my second attempt at this, but I'm about to prank Keisha them with my fart spray. Hopefully this works. It smells really bad. Hopefully it works. Y'all gonna see the other one with Ziggy soon. Make me feel. Shut up.
There's definitely one song.
Yeah. Oh, you are.
Hey!
Let's make a TikTok. Let's do TikTok. This one. Look.
Go on.
Hey, watch me. You.
TikTok, go on.
Nobody let me call you that many times.
time before you turn around.
No, we were here. No. Here I know. Look what she dropped.
Where's the TikTok? Oh, I do TikTok. Which one?
I don't know how to do it properly.
Well, which one? What do you want?
Have one. The song goes like, me and my niggas and we tryna But when I say that, Nisha, I'll punch you. No, I won't punch Nisha. No, stop.
Oh.
Stop. I won't punch Nisha. Shawna, walk over here right now. Walk over here right now. Nisha is so disgusting. It's
What
like
happened?
boiled eggs over there. That's why she moved.
I want premiere.
What the freak?
No, it's like boiled egg. That's nasty, bro. Oh God, that literally got choking. That she made me walk in it. It's like, one more
No, Nisha. Ziggy, come record this. Come record this.
Not there, you poo?
Are you dumb? Come record this. Come on. We need to see if Nisha shit her.
What the freak? What's that?
Ew, your laugh is so not it. I can't laugh, period. Thanks to mommy and daddy, it's not my fault. You're disgusting. She did it and made me walk in it and walk away and say anything. You know what I'm saying?
It smells like perm.
No, it doesn't. It smells like boiled
It
egg.
smell like yeah, egg.
Lira.
Egg poop.
Sorry. Ew. Sorry.
Why is it?
Sorry. Ew, she poop again? Sorry. Nisha. Oh my goodness. I don't want to eat no more.
Oh
Like,
God.
for real. No, no one. We bought the eggs and no one's eating them. Look, you're talking about eggs, my nigga. You poop, you say, excuse me. If it is that deadly, you leave. Watch it not go poop.
You're Nala. You're Nala. Are you really poop, Nisha?
Come down now.
Now.
Nisha, nobody come and say the foolishness.
You want down. If you don't come here, you're not getting no more ice cream. 5, 4, 3. Again? That's actually not funny now. Please stand there and we still can't smell it. You look sad. Okay, that's still funny. I promise it's in the nose hole still. Burn off the hair in there.
Oh, Keisha says it's in my nose hole still.
It's burning off my nose hair. Jimbo what? Jimbo what? Why do you keep knocking it so deep?
Yo, Nisha, I know.
Like, I'm actually going right now to come out first. Because I pooped? Because you keep doing it and it smells really bad. Like, the first time it was funny, but now actually, like, it's actually bad. It's not funny, like, it's actually bad. Okay, but like, what do you want me to do? Hold the gas in?
No,
Wrong or shit. That come like, yo, that one come like you come right off.
Come back what?
You come right off of your shit. That's about to let me go.
That bad? Excuse yourself. Okay, give me the camera for a second. Give me this. Give me the Z. Now, supposedly I pooped and it smelled really bad. Am I supposed to hold it in? No. You're not supposed to hold it in, but if your poop smells that bad and you're pooping like 2 or 3 times, you excuse yourself. And I'm not wrong. Shawna, what are you supposed to do for your poop? Hold it in?
Well, first, you have blood clot, man, and then take washouts.
So, where supposed to get washed out from?
You take 2 years to deal with that, make it come out.
Poor Nyla, just up and okay, yo, guys. Wait, Nyla, wait. So, yo, I'm happy to say that was a success. I literally had to move from there because, guys, this smells so bad. So bad. I almost threw up when I was sitting there just now. That literally... You're so gay. Get out of my face. How was that? It still smells alright. That's where you're sitting there, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Shawna, dirty girl.
Like Nisha out.
No, y'all. So y'all are gonna see the prank of when I prank Ziggy with this in the car. But this right here smells disgusting. Like it smells so bad. So bad. I sprayed like 3 times.
Oh my god.
What? That was bad. But anyways, I'm happy that I got them.
No, I knew you're up to something. Come. No, Kilo, take the camera. Ziggy, come.
No.
Spray it in her face.
Are you dumb?
Spray it. Ziggy, come.
Shawna,
Spray it on her. Spray it on her.
No.
Spray
Keisha,
it on her chest.
smells really
Spray
bad.
it on her chest. Spray it on her chest. On her chest. Yeah, make her hair. Make her hair.
No,
Make her
Keisha,
hair.
stop. Keisha, please. It smells really bad.
Remember all the time you're gonna give me your car? Come, spray it on her. Spray it on her. Come. Come. Keisha, on my face. Do it. On her belly. Do it. Did you spray it?
She went right in it.
You can't just Shawna. You can't.
Who put? Mommy put? Look at her face. She's vexed.
You smell that, mommy?
Ew, nasty. Lira poo poo?
Liru, who passed gas?
You poo poo, Lira?
Lira, you passed gas? You passed gas?
Yo. So anyways, vlogger and right there, so Ziggy's actually going into work, which is kind of sucks, but it's only for a couple hours, so I guess I'll see him just now. You guys can see him in the mirror right there playing his game before work. But hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Today was just full of very excitement. It was actually a fun evening. It was fun. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you know, join the NewbyFam, and shout out to DJ Mike for the end slate. He's one who has done all of our new, what would you call it? So like the banner on my channel, the little subscribe button right here, the subscribe pop-up I should say, and he also did the end slate. You guys didn't see the end of this video, so big up yourself. Mike, if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, literally any type of graphics, video, anything, any type of promo, just message him, because he's literally the guy to go to. Even if you don't know like the idea that you want, just pitch something to him and he literally will come up with something for you. But oh yeah, quick update. So after Lana's appointment, they did some tests on her arm, and a lot of the stuff that they tested came back positive. So she does have asthma, which kind of sucks. We were hoping that she didn't, but Ziggy has asthma, I have asthma, so I was kind of prone that she was gonna have it. But nevertheless, it's not that serious. We just gotta keep watching her, and then we got inhalers for her. But it is what it is. We're literally all on the same puffer. It's crazy. But hers is very mild, because I haven't really heard her wheeze in a while. But like I said, I know flu season's coming up, colder season, so I just have to really keep my eye on her. Show him your nose. No, your nose. That's ears. Where's your ears? Ear. Nose. Good girl. Where's the teeth? Teeth. Teeth. Yeah. Tell them goodbye. Blow them a kiss. No, I said blow them a kiss. Mwah. Bye guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Can you count for them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go again. 1, 2.